guys and girls, in this video we're gonna take a look at the best treadmills for home. I made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I have listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay to the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the home treadmills in the video, just subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. And don't forget to join our community Telegram channel linked in the description, so we can contact you if you win. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best home treadmills on the market right now. Coming at number 9, we've got the Bowflex Treadmill 7. Thumbs up. Streams Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, and Amazon Prime Video accounts on the 7-inch touchscreen. Folds up when not in use to save space. 3-zone cushioning system. Thumbs down. Best with JRNY, a membership program that costs an additional $39 a month. Small built-in screen and takes up a large amount of space. 84.6 by 36.3 by 55.2 inch footprint. Run sprints and hills on this treadmill. Built to reach a maximum speed of 12 miles per hour and a maximum incline of 15%, in which you can stream your Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, and Amazon Prime Video accounts on the 7-inch touchscreen while you work out. What's next level is the fact that it syncs up with the company's JRNY app, which uses AI to analyze your running gait and then customizes your daily workouts specifically to you. It provides real-time tips, target goals, and even celebrates when you reach your fitness milestones to keep you motivated. Coming in at number 8, ProForm City L6 Folding Treadmill. Thumbs up. iFit trainers adjust the resistance and incline for you. Small footprint, 70.25 by 29 by 44.5 inches. Folds up when not in use to save space. Thumbs down. Best with iFit, a membership program that costs an additional $39 a month. Speed maxes out at 8 miles per hour, shorter belt length, 45 inches. Specially designed for city spaces, this slimmed-down tread is just 70 inches long and 29 inches wide. It doesn't skimp on features, though. Includes speeds up to 8 miles per hour, ProShocks cushioning, and folding capabilities. Plus, it works with an iFit subscription, giving you access to interactive training sessions, where the instructor can tweak your speed and grade for you, and global backdrops. One thing to keep in mind, it's about 10 inches shorter and 6 inches narrower than your standard tread, which may affect tall runners. Coming at number 7, TreadPad Slim Under-Desk Treadmill. Thumbs up. Ideal for small spaces, slim and lightweight design, 66.3 pounds. Comes with a remote control to adjust intensity. Thumbs down. No handrails and monitor is difficult to read under a standing desk. Speed maxes out at 4 miles per hour. Want to get your steps in while you're on the clock? This treadmill slides right under a standing desk so you can type and take calls without breaking your stride. A wide belt guarantees you stay on track even when you're focused on your phone or computer, and the included remote control makes it easy to adjust the intensity. It's great for small spaces since it lacks the bulk that comes with a giant display screen and handrails. There's still a largish digital monitor at the front of the belt that displays metrics, including time, distance, calories, steps, and speed. Number 6. Lifespan TR1200i Folding Treadmill. Thumbs up. Folds up when not in use to save space. Uses multiple shock absorbers to provide safe cushioning for joints. Huge workout variety. Thumbs down. No chest strap or built-in fan included. Data tracking service requires a subscription. A lifetime membership is $69. Short on space. This tread's sturdy, all-steel frame folds up in seconds, thanks to Lifespan's Easy Fold technology. When you're ready to run, though, it offers speeds up to 13.5 miles per hour, 13 levels of incline, and 50-plus built-in programs, and the option to program and save your own workouts. The 10-inch touchscreen holds double in size in the latest model, which allows you to see your stats on 3 different dashboards more easily than ever before. Coming in at number 5, Schwinn 810 Treadmill. Thumbs up. Folds up when not used to save space. Has a USB charging port for phones, tablets, or music players. 16 built-in workout programs. Thumbs down. Explore the World app costs an additional $9.99 a month. Thinner belt deck and slightly shorter belt length, 55 inches. Schwinn is owned by Nautilus, so it shares a number of features with the T618 treadmill mentioned earlier. This one has 16 built-in workout programs, compatibility with the Explore the World app for virtual courses, and a dual display. Bonus, it has folding technology for easy storage. This machine does have a slightly less powerful motor, but can still exchange you with inclines up to 10%. It's also a little shorter. The running belt is 55 inches compared to 60, and while the belt isn't quite as thick as the Nautilus, it uses soft track cushioning to provide some relief for your joints. Coming at number 4, Nautilus T618 Treadmill. Thumbs up, 26 built-in training programs. 350-pound load capacity, handrails with integrated incline and speed controls. Thumbs down. Explore the World app costs an additional $9.99 a month. Takes up a large amount of space. 78 by 37.6 by 62.8 inch footprint. Console is a little dated looking. This machine has 26 different workouts programmed to it, plus 27 high-def routes via the Explore the World app that take you through exotic locals like the Scottish Highlands and the streets of Prague, so you'll never get bored. Not only is the belt slightly thicker than many other treadmills, its cushioning is firmer in the back where your foot pushes off, but softer in the front to minimize impact on your joints. Bonus, a dual display lets you watch your tablet and take progress. Number 3. Commercial X32i. Thumbs up, inclines up to 40% and down to -6% to simulate hills. iFit trainers adjust the resistance and incline for you. Has a 32-inch interactive HD touchscreen. Thumbs down, expensive and best with iFit, a membership program that costs an additional $39 a month. Takes up a large amount of space, 76.5 by 40 by 73 inch footprint. While most treadmills offer a 12 to 15% grade incline, the Nordic Track X32i goes up to 40%, a grade that offers 5 times the calorie burn, even while walking, compared to the lowest setting. It can also incline from flat to -6%. With a monthly $39 iFit subscription, you can stream classes filmed all over the world and view them in living color on the 32-inch interactive HD touchscreen, where the trainers will digitally control your incline and speed in real time to A. create a more natural experience, and B. keep you from worrying about anything except running. Just want to run on your own? Plot a route on Google Maps and run along to the Google Street View. Coming at number 2, TR150 Folding Treadmill. Thumbs up. Folds up when not used to save space. 12 built-in workout programs. Small footprint. 63.4 by 28.75 by 51.4 inches. Thumbs down. Incline must be adjusted manually. No built-in fan and shorter belt length, 50 inches. If you prefer to run outside but want something for those days the weather doesn't cooperate, this simple tread does the job without doing significant damage to your bank account. It can go up to 10 miles per hour, has 3 built-in manual inclines, includes 12 built-in workout programs, and features pulse sensors mounted on the handlebars to keep you in the right heart rate zone. When you're done, it folds right up. Number 1. Echelon Stride. Thumbs up. Folds up for when not in use to save space. Small footprint. 69.3 by 31 by 49.2 inches. Handrails have integrated incline and speed controls. Thumbs down, slightly shorter belt length, 55 inches, and limited display panels. Less powerful than competitors. Echelon Stride Treadmill has all the basics. A max speed of 12 miles per hour, incline capabilities up to 10%, Bluetooth connectivity, integrated handlebar heart rate sensors, and folding technology that shrinks it to just 10 inches deep for easy storage. What it doesn't have is as powerful of a motor as its competitors. Just 1.75 horsepower compared to a normal standard of 2.5 horsepower. Still, you can get a solid workout, whether you're looking for endurance, climbing, or interval training. In smaller spaces with a subscription to Echelon Fit Pass, which starts at $11.99 a month. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best home treadmills. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.